Hello everyone, homework is starting this week and I'm recording this video to help you get started. Each boy will be going home with this homework folder with everything that he will need inside. Each week a new sheet will be put inside the folder which will outline everything that the boys will need to do for that week. Each day there will be sounds, sight words, oral language and shared reading. And then 3 days a week, there will be some written work to do. So Monday is the Phonics book, Tuesday will be handwriting, and every Wednesday there will be some maths work to do. First thing in the folder is the sounds booklet. There are 42 sounds to learn, and each of them is on this keyring. Each sound has a unique action and a song to help the boys learn them. So in a week in school, we will be learning most likely one sound to start off with, but as the weeks go on and the boys are growing more confident, we will start doing 2 sounds. I have a YouTube channel and on it I have videos of each sound along with some games that the boys might like to watch, which would help them learn the song. There are stories and mini lessons on the channel too, if any of the boys would like to have a look through it. Next up then is our phonics book. In this booklet, the boys will be asked to think of things that start with a particular sound. For example, S. The idea in this booklet is that they would cut out pictures from magazines and stick them in, or if you don't have anything like that, you can just draw in the pictures, it's fine. Now, don't worry if the cutting and gluing looks messy. That's totally normal for most children this age. And I know it can be tempting for you yourself to cut out for them or draw a picture yourself, but please don't. It's good for me to see where they're at and also for us to see their progress from September right to the end of June. If they are drawing and it's very unclear, you can just write beside it what it is they were trying to draw. Inside the cover of the book, I have an explanation sheet. Next in the folder is our sight words poetry book. Now this is a shared reading activity and each page has a very simple poem, just a few lines long, based on a frequently used word. And there are also lots of picture clues to help the boys guess what the word might mean. Inside the booklet, you can see here I have some instructions and these give ideas on how you can help your child to read little tricks, little games, little activities, to help the boys with their word development. And we'll do 1 poem per week for the rest of the year. Next up is our sight words. Now, all of the words on this keyring are from our core readers, our English reading books. There are 3 books we do in juniors and 3 keyrings. For now, I just have the keyring for the first book. So the words on the keyring are based from the books, but they're also what we call high frequency words. These are the most common words in the English language. The, and, his, her, where, things like that. We will learn 2 words per week to begin with, but we will be increasing to 4 words after a while. Now, as the year goes on, some of the boys should be able to put together simple sentences by arranging some words together. So do encourage them to have a go at that. Explore With Me is a book that's inside in the folder and it's all about oral language. The whole idea here is getting the boys to talk more and express themselves. Each month has a new theme. The first one, as you can see, is I Have Grown, and it's a poster with a lot of different things going on and also a series of questions for you to ask your child so they can see what they're looking at and talk about what they can see. Next, we have our handwriting book. This is just 1 page per week with 1 letter, and they will also draw a picture at the top of the page. And lastly, we've got our maths book. Again, this is 1 page per week, and luckily there are very clear instructions on the top of every page here, so it's really clear what the boys need to do. So I would ask that every Thursday the boys would bring their homework folders back into school. This gives me a chance to correct the work. And also on Mondays, the homework folders will go back home with the boys, like I said, with a new instruction sheet for the week. I hope this video has been helpful. And of course, if you have any questions or unsure of anything, please do ask.